Hi, my name is John, and I've been RVing for over 40 years. In order to use a portable propane tank so that you don't have to move your RV, you need a brass tee with a 4-port adapter and a universal POL 1/4 inch NPT and inverted male flare propane tank pigtail hose. I use this brass tee and braided hose. Motorhomes, whether a Class A, B, or C, usually have ASME tanks, ASME. You don't want to have to break camp just to fill up your propane. Use a portable propane tank so that you don't have to move your RV. I install a brass tee with a 4-port adapter. It's very simple. For motorhomes, I connect brass tee 4-port adapter in line with my supply hose to efficiently feed the propane to all RV appliances. Follow these steps. Turn on a burner on the stove and then turn off the propane valve outside on the propane tank to drain the pressure from the system. Disconnect the regulator from the RV's propane tank and attach the T adapter to the tank. Connect the hose with the flared fitting to the T adapter and the other end to the portable propane bottle or tank. Turn on the propane valve on the bottle or tank and check for leaks with soapy water on all connections. If bubbles form, tighten or replace the parts. Test the stove burners and enjoy the convenience of using portable propane bottles and tanks. I would recommend closing the propane knob on the RV's tank. Let the portable cylinder provide all the propane and pressure to go into the T. It's the new propane source. Use the new propane cylinder as the source for all the propane and not the RV tank. Since we are now upstream of the RV's tank regulator, anything we put into or take from this new propane source will need a regulator. For example, when I connect a new appliance like a portable campfire or grill, it will require a regulator. And most brass T manufacturers use a 1/8 inch flare fitting for the connection to the T. The new propane source cylinder will feed my entire propane needs. It will provide propane to my water heater, stove, refrigerator, and furnace. There are different manufacturers for the brass T, some of which have quick connect fittings, some of which have the same type I'm using. You may want to take a look on Amazon or Camping World and compare.